Okay, so here we are. The keyboard support or the metallic support, it's clean. Now it's looking much better. We had a really strong liquid spill here with a lot of oxide and rust, but now it's clean and it's absolutely okay. So you see, this is not exactly a hammer. The extra pressure, how can I say, recoil, it's gained by the weight, this piece of metal in there. It's not a really hammer keyboard, but good enough for studying. Okay, take a look here. Okay, day 2 of the project. The keys are back in place, looking good, but I have to fix this. Okay, so I think this is an A, this one. I want to take that out for having a fair compare, I call it. What I have done, I put some super glue here, some hot glue here, and I'm trying to give this shape and to be able to get the keys back in the support here. This should be done with proper patience. Okay, let's see. Okay, the height is okay. Yeah, pretty okay. Now all I have to do is to have this that should be okay. Let's see. Nice. Maybe I should take this out. Have to check all the springs to be in the right position. They are. And let's see if I can fit this in up here. I think this is too high. No, I don't believe that. Okay. Perfect. Look there. This is perfect. So perfect. So, my improvisation proves to be right. Okay, now let me fix the last one here. This is a special key. You can find it. It's here at the beginning of the keys. So we have to do the same shape. Let's see if it fits the hole. Not quite. Okay, so hot glue wasn't exactly successful, so I have to take another mechanical approach. I'll put a hole in here and then I have 2 little screws, enough to have a gap and to keep the key in place. Let's see. Should be good. Now I have to find 2 little. That's how I did it. This is, and here we have this gap wheel, obviously going. This hopefully will keep the key in place. And let me have another one. Both screws with the gap, and hopefully this will work. Okay guys, so I just have 2 screws in here to have this gap ready to get into the hole here. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, it fits perfect. Now I can even tie these screws here. There we go. Can fix it. Everything is fine. The E, the one in here. So here we are. The keys are back in place. I replaced the, let's call it the topper, these parts here, with this kind of material. It's almost like a textile, something much better than the rubber before. And I may say now the keys are absolutely quiet, noiseless. If you remember the way they were creaking, but now you can barely hear the returning sound. You know that the plastic something. The keys are ready, so what I'm gonna do now is to have the contacts back in place, and the boards, of course. Let me clean it a little bit before. Okay, people, here I have my pressure washer. Yeah, now it will be like new. Just let it in the sunshine for drying.